We have a jerk chicken and stuff. We have the festival. And we have the roast fish. You see me? Rain kind of fall now, but loads and skirt. Watch out, people. You know much years me not see them a cherry. Watch it. Blouse and skirt. Years me not see them a cherry in a farmer. Who remember them cherry? Cha. I come out and say, you know, I see a couple ball plate now on tree. And I try shoot at them, but them fly gone because they did the high. A buck of cherry. Hope no cow no piss pan it, right, you know? Oh, yeah, you can boy. You know, I made that. No, I'm not so sweet. She couple of them, people land me the pan. They beside me. It's a piece of open land. Okay. Remember the cherry? Don't watch me dirty, and as I see a milestone I have. It's a couple of cherry them are well man. So not so fruitful. The ball plate them did there in the tree there, but them fly gone. Pick two of them cherry. A whole heap right around us, man. See them? Years when I eat them a cherry. What is cherry name again? Somebody tell me now. They look like strawberry, but it is not. If your body tell me what this is, and no, this is not strawberry. You see this? This is a wild cherry that grows in Jamaica. Looks like strawberry, not true, just smaller. Used to eat this lots as a kid. And see it as a whole heap of them just grow up on the ground. This is not strawberry. It looks like from the strawberry, and this is not raspberry neither. Yeah man, comment and tell me what this is. You see that? I want to have an insect. But see that this is what they look like. Just like a strawberry when they're young. You see that? Yeah, don't watch your dry hand. You want to shoot bird in the early morning. But yeah, tell me what them will be. Comment and tell me what these are. But these are not strawberry, but they're from the berry family. Just some wild growing. Lots of them on the ground. See it there? Whole heap. Whole heap of them there, so you see this enough as a kid. Early morning, you do rain up on the ground. Oh, that one then, yeah, man. But yeah, comment now, man, and tell me what these are.
Many hours later.
Strong in idea still, them a put me to work. So I go jerk and put things on the grill. Mr. February 23rd. Me and Tyrone birthday the last week. So I light up the grill, you know, and do the right. Come like rain won't come down right now. Rain will come down, you know, but catch up the grill and go and do the right thing. You know, Jamaican grill, you know. I got throw some fish on the grill, some roast fish. What jerk chicken or fried chicken? So jerk chicken and grilled fish. Alright, so jerk chicken and grilled fish. Tyrone there, so I do the grill. So we have the roast fish, and we're going to stuff it with callaloo. Alright? Wash and clean and everything already. So nice and clean. I'm going to season it with some fish seasoning in the middle. Just like that. Some black pepper. And we'll just get the into the carcass of the fish. Just a generous amount. Again, black pepper. Nothing too crazy. Introduce a little flavor into the belly of the fish. And we're going to do that on the outside. Light and generous with the fish season. Flip that over and repeat that. And then go in with some black pepper. Well seasoned. Alright. And I have some more here. Just gonna get them seasoned up. Alright, there it is. All of the fish them seasoned up. I don't want to put any slit in them, you know what I mean? Because I'm gonna stuff them and I don't want anything breaking out. So it's gonna keep them whole like that. Normally I'd put a few slits, but we're not gonna put any slits in these ones. I have some color right here. I'm gonna be using these to stuff the fish. So this is 1 pound of callaloo. Bought it in the supermarket already cut. I'm assuming it's washed and clean, but we're still going to give it a rinse with some salt and vinegar. Get some salt over that, some vinegar. Go ahead and strain it off. Tire them out of everything. Do some jerk fowl on the grill. So I'm going to finish up the fish right now. Cut up these things. And I just chop up some pepper, sweet pepper. Come now. Now we have a sweet pepper. Hold on, Ella, hold on, man, come. Now I go fight it and say, hold on. Yeah, man, fight it. Get some carrot. Let's chop them up. Cut them up fine enough so everything cook evenly at the same time. A small white onion. Ella, hold on. I'm so talk to you. Yeah. So talk to you. Chop up an onion. And then tomato, I just remove the core. Just remove the core from the tomato. And just cut that up. Just to bring a little flavor color. Some garlic. Press those. Chop them up. Close the fridge, close the fridge, close the fridge. You not allow me alone, eh? You not leave me. No, lock it, lock it. Come on the light. And then scotch pan the pepper to your tolerance. Don't want to overpour this thing out with scotch pan. So that is it. Add that now to the callaloo. Season up with some black pepper now. And all-purpose seasoning. Some blended great seasoning. We're gonna go in with some of that. And then some butter. Preferably if you have some softer butter. This is in the fridge, so it's a bit tough. Just gonna get some butter in there. Then we're just gonna mix that up. So we're just gonna spray some oil on here. Normally I'd put butter on here, but the butter that I have is frozen, so or solid, so we'll just use a little bit of oil. This is to ensure that the fish doesn't stick. I'll just spread that generously. Come with the fish now, which is well seasoned. We're gonna stuff that fish. So you get some of that color. Look. You see me? Stuff the head. Alright. So you know the fish is not gonna hold that much. I want a little extra. So just put it right there. And show you stuff the head. Nice clean hands. This right here will suffice for one serving. Just gonna roll that up. Yeah, give me a second there. So boom bam. One fold. Two fold. And then a fold right here to trap in the steam. Same thing right here. Trap in the steam. Alright. There you go. You can add more foil if you want to. But this should be sufficient. Just keep this side up so that it doesn't open on us, right? Add the fish to the grill. Alright, cook this down nicely for about 30 minutes. Make sure the callaloo is nice and steamed. The fish is nice and roasted. Cover that down. Oh, good to go. Alright, so we're going to be making some festival. We have some flour right here. I'm going to go in with some cornmeal. I'm going to add some salt and baking powder. Add a little bit of cinnamon powder in there. That's optional still. I'm going to add some butter. Break up the butter in the flour. We need some sugar, but the sugar is not here as yet, so I'm going to wait. Fish is on the grill, going. Alright, so once that's done, we're just going to add the sugar once it gets here. The fish them are gone. And move them off of the grill. Yeah. Put these up at the top, ensuring not to pierce them, because we don't want any liquid to run out, right? We don't want the fish to burn, so we throw them up at the top. Cover and let it run nicely. We're going to go in some sugar now. Just mix in the sugar. Mama. Add a little vanilla to my water. Just gonna add some water to that, and we're gonna knead the dough. Nice. That's your cereal? Yeah. Nice. Just gonna mix that, make the dough. Almost done, yeah. Go on, Adam, man. It's okay. Go on, Adam. No, what me do? Please go on the light. And there we go. So that's the dough. You want it to be slightly tacky. And then we're just gonna rest this for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna portion them out and fry. Alright, my friends, so we have the jerk chicken and stuff. We have the festival, and we have the roast fish. You see me? Rain kind of fall now, but yeah, man, rain a fall, but you don't know a thing come down. I eat sitting and drink sitting over there, and I eat. Just a light thing. No sell it, no? So just cook and eat something. And like that. Put the ball them up. Just for going to feed callaloo. Color well steam out, you know. And the fish lightly seasoned. Have a good amount of pepper. The fish not too salt. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, my friend. Right, man. So, as you say, it's a simple youth. We don't need much. If we have a loved ones, then we're good. Brother and mother, everybody there. Let's cook and we'll eat. And that is it, so. Big up on yourself. Enough love for the birthday wishes in advance. So. I want to do the right. Yeah? Enough love. Big up.
You have